Guys, in this video, we will be learning enums in Python. You will get answers of these questions. What is enums? Why do we use enums? And how we can implement enums in Python. An enumeration is a set of symbolic names bound to unique constant values. So enumeration can be used to create simple custom data types which include things such as month, weeks, type of grades, department or days. By convention, enumeration names begin with upper letter, right? To use enum, we have to import one module, that is from port enum class. Let's create a one class, CL class. Let's say color. So to get the functionality of enum, we have to inherit enum, and we can define like red color equals to 1, green equals to 2, blue it should be 3. How we can get the value of this enum? How we can print it? Color dot, you see red, green and blue. We are able to see all those constant. Okay, you can see the color dot red is printed. Now let's see how we can iterate a enum. Let's say C in color and we can easily print it. And let's run the program. All three items are printed. These are the constant. Red has a 1 value, green has 2 value, blue has 3 value. Okay, so this is the enumeration for enum, because enumeration support iteration, right? Now see duplicate enum members. Having two enum members with the same name is invalid. If you want to take blue again, this is not valid. If you run the program, so you will get an error, right? Type error exception you will be getting, right? However, two enum members are allowed to have the same value, right? If you remove it and you try to have the same value on green and blue, so it is allowed. If you run the program, you see only green is printed because it has the same value. That's why this iteration did not take the duplicate value which was at last point, right? If you swipe these items and then try, then you will see it will print blue. Okay, now let's see what is unique enum values. We can make our all enum values unique with the help of unique decorator, right? To get the unique decorator, we have to import one more class, that is unique. If you see, let me take this time department. We want to decorate this department class with unique, right? If we run this program, so it will give us the error because we have the same name value in the enum. You see science and math is having same value, same constant value 2 and 2. If we make it 3, then it will not give us any error. So this unique decorator is making sure we are providing the unique value always. Now let's move to our next point, automatic value. We can assign our enums name with automatic values. You can say this would be grade. So you don't want to depend on the values of these enums, then you can call auto function. Okay, for this we have to import one more class, right? This is a class, it will take the constant value automatically. Then what you have to do, you have to use the list, pass on your grade, then it will print the enums value automatically 1, 2 and 3, right? Now let's move to our next point, comparison. How to compare enums? Enumeration members are compared by identity. How? If you want to compare dot green, so this way we can compare. It was not true, that's why this line was not printed. You want to print like yes, true. Okay, so it will print true because this condition is false, right? If you make, let's say red, so it will print false. Now you can make it true and then false. Okay, it is true. If it is green, so it will print false. This is one way, or you can say is not, you can use true. Okay, now let's move to our next point. Enumeration members are hashable, right? So they can be used in dictionaries and sets. Okay, how to see how they are hashable? It will be a dictionary, right? We can put some hash value, whatever you want to. Same, you can take for different or any other value you can take. If you want to get the value from the dictionary, then you can get applies color key for us, color dot green. So it will print us the value of this key from this dictionary. Okay, let's see. You see, this code is appeared because we retrieved the value from this dictionary key. Okay, so this is called a hashable for the enumeration. Even in the comparison, you can do one more thing, like if equals to color, then in the program it is true, and you can apply the else. If you run the program, so you will get false here. You can take a reference of the enumeration as well. Okay, then you can check this variable. This way also you can do it, right? So this is still false. If you make it green, then you will get true. Okay, if you want to get the type, like type, this is a function, let's print. So it will give you, it's a enum type and it's a color class or this color, right? Let's run. So you get, it's a enum meta. You can, let's say red. This way it will give you, it's a same enum type. So this is called enumeration in Python.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.